Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations. My name is Tia. Today I'm going to do a page in my 365 Days of Creativity book by Lorna Scobie. Let me show you. And I thought I would do it on camera. So I've done 2 pages already. So it's got the activities completed and it's got some genres of what the colour codes mean. So feel inspired, feel calm, feel energetic, feel reflective. And I'll show you the ones that I've done already. There's a list of goals that you can complete. I've done the snakes. I did that with Prismacolor pencils and maybe a micron or a so there's the micron, maybe a, what are those, pigment liner, the Staler one. That's very skinny, that's not going to work. Let's have a look. Those are both, oh that's a skinny one too, so maybe those 2. So yes, that's what I've used for there. And then I did the colour wheel and just some normal felt tip pens I think I used. So that's that one. And then today I thought, so there's lots of different guided prompts to get you being creative. So I got this book and I got, what's the other one? 365 Days of Art. So just lots of little things. Fill the jar with different things. But I thought today I would do this one. So number 28. Add patterns to these geometric shapes. And I thought I would do it along the lines of sort of Zentangle, that type of thing. So, what's my ruler? That one will work. I thought I'd do it on camera. So I'm just going to outline all the shapes. Now I'm one who turns my artwork. I can't work you know, just in one position. I've got to flip my book around and upside down and inside out, and it's just how I roll. Just a bit there. You're probably not meant to be this particular and use ruler, but that's what I'm doing for that part of it. Now I might divide that up into segments. This is going to take a while actually, now that I've thought about it. But that's okay. Alright. see something in the last video that I filmed popping up in the corner on my monitor, and I was like, what is that? It's a little message, but I didn't know what it was. I don't know if you can see because my hand's in the way. So you just fill, I'm just going to fill all the lines with different patterns, I think. So what I'll do here is I will I pause or zoom through? I might pause the video here. I will go ahead and get this shape finished, and when I've done that I will come back. Okay, back soon. Okay, so I have finished the first little square. Very simple shapes and just repetitive drawings, and I found one of my books that I made and I did the cover, so I'm going to attempt to do this whole page in this sort of style. I think there's some others in here. Oh yeah, wow, 2018 Dreamcatcher. I was doing a yin yang sign. It's the starting of another one. Oh, some random cactuses that I drew. Some Zentangle shapes. And that seems to be it in that one. So that's what I will do with this entire page. So I will, what am I going to do? I might leave it at that, and when we come back I will show you the whole page finished. It's going to take a wee while. I thought I'd be able to get it done. Well, I don't know, who am I trying to kid? I'll do a bit more, and then when I come back this whole page will be done. Okay, back soon. Right, back again. Several days have passed. I'm in my pajamas and my dressing gown because it's cold and it's early, and I just wanted to get this video finished. So I finished my page, which is page 28, and I've filled in all the coloured geometric shapes that were on the page, and not coloured them in, I have doodled on them. So, and I've marked off on the little tracker that is in the front, number 28. So that was heaps of fun, very zen, and you just get lost in doing your shapes. You can put a podcast on or a audio book or a video and just, you know, go to your heart's content. So I really enjoyed doing that page. Don't know which one's next. I'll find something that inspires me to create. There's still a ton to do, but that's it. Excuse me, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.